Ready to turn your Aussie dream into a bonza business reality. First things first, selecting the right business structure is key, with the most common choice being a proprietary limited company, offering liability protection and potential tax advantages. Next up, securing your company name requires a visit to the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, where you'll check availability and register your unique business identifier. Don't forget your Australian business number, ABN and tax file number, TFN, essential for tax compliance and legal operation within Australia. As a director, understanding your responsibilities is paramount. From maintaining accurate records to adhering to legal obligations, knowledge is power. Navigating the legal and compliance landscape can be tricky, so research or consider seeking professional advice to stay on the right side of the law and ensure long-term success. With these essential steps, you're well on your way to launching your business in the land of opportunity. Congratulations.